Show me the cowbell.
Hey, what's up guys, fellow wrist benders? This is a little bit different. If you watched a few videos ago, we put out a video on the Ranger Danger, the old White Lightning I had, 1998 Ford Ranger. I had to do a muffler fix on it. The muffler ended up rusting, and if you're interested in watching that video, you can go check it out now. I had that truck for a few years. I've been looking for a new one, and about 3 or 4 days after we made that video, I actually found a truck that I liked. It's not perfect. It is a 2011 Toyota Tundra. It's got some cosmetic flaws that I'll be changing as we go. And those videos will probably be here on Wrench Benders. It's garage related, customizing my personal truck. So if you don't want to see that, let us know in the comments, and maybe I won't make those videos. But if you're interested, let us know that too. We'll see how it goes. But today's an unboxing. And what I did is I got I'm going to first back up and say that the Tundra had the very base radio system in it. Like I said, some cosmetic things that I want to change. I like my music, so I wanted to order some new stereo equipment. I got on Crutchfield, who is not a sponsor of this video. They don't sponsor or endorse us in any way, but I will endorse them because I've used them multiple times so far in my life. That's how I put all of the the stereo equipment in the Ranger was all aftermarket, all came from Crutchfield. They send everything you need, instructions. They're fantastic. I love them. If you've never been to Crutchfield for a car stereo, go check them out. But I ordered this stuff, and I'm going to do an unboxing of it and check it out. These are door speakers. There's two different styles. One's for the front door, one's for the back door. I got kickers. They're not super expensive, but it's way better than what I got in the base model. We'll get to that later. That's not important. They send wiring for the speakers. This is a wiring harness. What I assume is for the head unit, but I'll have to get to that when I read the directions. This is the radio installation kit. It's the plastic kit that's going to replace the factory to make it look nice and pretty inside the car. And then I've got some dash speakers. I'm replacing the factory tweeters with some mid-range speakers. Hopefully get a little better, deeper, richer sound. We'll see how that works out. Some more wiring harnesses for the speakers. This is some speaker brackets to adapt for probably the front door. I don't know. We'll get to that as well. Here's a fancy Crutchfield support manual. Like I said, they're fantastic. They send you all the documentation you need. And then here's the star of the show, which is the Car1000 10.1-inch touchscreen, capacitive touchscreen Jensen radio. Super excited about this. I've got the old factory radio in it. It doesn't have Bluetooth capability. It does have an auxiliary jack, which is cool. But I'm looking for more modern touchscreen. You know, fancy. Why not, right? So let's open this bad boy up and take a look at it. See what it looks like. There you go. You want to hold the... There it is. That gives you the instruction manual.
Gibberish. There you go.
Gibberish, yeah. Well, that's the wiring diagram. We're going to need that.
Oh, yeah.
Lots of wires. Lots of stuff. I'll have to read the instructions to figure out how to do all this, but they've included just about everything you're going to need. But now the fun part. Let's check this bad boy out. There you go. Get her off there. Set that thing over there to the side. This is the bottom of the unit. It's got a volume knob, some push buttons. Looks very nice. And then here is the, yes. I don't know. I mean, it's got multimedia, and I think you can stream some stuff, but I got to check into all of it. I watched a quick YouTube video and comparing. I had a couple head units picked out, and I mainly just want Bluetooth functionality and touchscreen, and when you get to looking at all that, I kind of went a little bigger than I probably should have with this fancy screen, but there it is. 10.1-inch touchscreen, Jensen Car1000. I think it's a newer model, just come out last year. We're going to put it in a 2011 Toyota Tundra, and we're going to see what happens. So, if you're interested in seeing that, check out the next video I put up. It's probably going to be a before and after. I won't do a how-to. There's probably tons of how-to videos out there. But if you're interested in seeing what it looks like inside the Toyota Tundra, come check it out. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. What you got there?
The wireless.
Oh, yeah. We'll probably won't.